Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart here, we have of course the bullish and the bearish scenario overview, where we have of course a wave A, B and a C potentially toward the upside, and of course finishing an impulse correction, and you're looking right now for an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, looking for this correction and then continuation for a wave 3, 4 and a 5 again. Finishing, of course, a wave 1 here is also possible as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 even higher, right? Your wave C would like to reach this blue box at 4,265, potentially. If we are in an impulse with a yellow count here, you're looking even for higher for a wave 4 and a 5, so even higher prices. Now the question is, did we really finish a correction only here? And this is an impulse for wave 1, and then we're looking for a wave 2 here and looking for higher. Well, the question mark is very, very critical here, especially that, of course, we are still inside the green box here for this impulse. If we have this impulse exactly as a wave 2 here, you see that we are almost inside the green box, right? We didn't left the green box, or we didn't touch even the 886, right? So as you can see, this is of course our 886 still marked there. We didn't touch it, but possibly what it can be here, of course, after looking, like if you want to take it like 3 waves like this as a wave 2 finished and looking for higher, then this is definitely a WXNOI, yeah, so WXNOI. And of course, if this case scenario we want to take it, it has to look like this on the 4-hour chart. It has to look like this, a wave Y, as you can see, this magenta W here with 3 waves down, right? And then of course another 3 waves up, and then another 3 waves down, finishing as a zigzag here, yeah, and then moving toward the upside, touching the 1-to-1 fib level, because we saw a very, very nice retracement here yesterday. And if we move a little bit inside it on the 4-hour chart, you can see that this is kind of like it touched again the wave 1, because if we are in 1, 2, 3, your wave 4 anyway invalidates this impulse, meaning whether you are in 1, 2 here, 1, 2, and in another 1, 2, which is, yeah, very low possibility, to be honest, unless we are very, very bearish, right? Then you want to see, of course, a very massive wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, right? So this is very, very bearish for TAO. And yeah, it looks like 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 3 waves down so far. This is all what we can get. Unless, of course, yeah, something else is unfolding here as very, very bearish, guys. We have to be careful from it. On the daily, of course, we want to reach anyways this blue box. Yeah, we have reached it, but potentially for the time, as you can see, it's still, of course, a little bit earlier, but it still can be. Yeah, still can be possible. This blue box here. And in case that we are very, very bearish, therefore you might be looking to this scenario here, which our third arrow, yeah, because once we finish this blue box, it might unfold, of course, this A, B, and a C, yeah, for a wave 2, meaning shifting the wave 2, shifting the wave B here, yeah, and WXY can be, and then moving for higher from there, from this box. If not, if this 1-1-2 that we saw on the 4-hour chart is gonna play, we have to be careful from it, because it can be very, very bearish, leading to the third box here with the third arrow, yeah, as expected as well as a scenario. And anyway, finishing in the blue box between the perfect fib level for a big wave 1, 2 here, yeah, then 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the possibilities, guys, are very, very tight, and we are kind of in a crossroad between bullish and bearish in the whole crypto market. Actually, it's not just TAO. We have like a crossroad here would we reverse toward the upside, or we just simply continue toward the downside? Yeah. And as you can see now, the highest possibility, well, for me was, of course, taking at least the 1-to-1 fib level. Inside this blue box, we have another or second blue box, which is in confluence with this ABC as a regular flat. And this is still, of course, my highest possibility right now, 162. Yeah. Because, yeah, also if we are here in 3 waves down, for example, 3 waves up, and let's say ABC as an expanding flat has to be impulsive, and here it was invalidated with your wave 4. And again, turning it into a very complex structure. Therefore, this complex structure, of course, it can be in one time just WXY. Now, the key levels, if we take the 886, the 189, just by touching the 886, that means, of course, you're looking for this 1-to-1 fib level, at least. If we take this 1-to-1 fib level, and we start to see some signal of strength 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation towards the upside, breaking this high, meaning, of course, this is your bullish scenario might be unfolding, right? If we see the opposite, rather than 5 waves down, we see 3 waves up, like this, 5 waves down, breaking the low. This is your biggest bearish scenario, or ultimate bearish scenario, playing to take this box between the $100 and $58 for a wave 2, big wave 2 here. Yeah, so shifting again, wave 2 or a wave B to this area, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation, or big ABC in a zigzag. So these are the possibilities for TAO. Highest one, of course, still this blue box between the 162 to be much more precise here, 162, $150. The 150 sounds very psychological, and I would say, yeah, it might be a very, very nice potential. So let's watch and see what's gonna happen for TAO. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.